I'm Andy Haupt, a digital fellow at the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered AI. I do research on reinforcement learning and economics.
My name is Prashant Ranganathan. I'm a grad from the Stanford Design School, and I'm a previous founder. And we present Bruno to you, our paper that won the Best AI Scientist Award at ICML.
We're going to be talking about science, and it helps us to understand a bit how science is done right now. You send a lot of Slack messages, you log runs, you push code. At the end, you submit a PDF, tiny sliver of the whole process of weeks and months that led to the final deadline.
What's missing currently is the process of doing science. The experiments that were not published, what failed, so that we can learn from that process. We are sitting at a moment similar to Figma for scientists. The main technological innovation that Figma brought into the design world was collaboration and version controlling. Science inherently, just like design, is also a very collaborative process. And that's what we're trying to address with Bruno.
Not only are we trying to document how science is done, we also try to improve it. To improve science, it helps us to understand a bit more deeply what science fundamentally is. And here, laboratory life enters the stage. Bruno Latour and co-authors document how a wet lab works, how experiments are run, and how finally artifacts are compressed to these tiny slivers of the process that we are going to see. What we try to improve is to reduce this amount of black boxing, to actually bring an account that is faithful to the full process of scientific discovery.
So we created Bruno. Bruno is an AI product manager for scientists. Our main take here was to accelerate scientific discovery, we need to remove all the logistical blockers that are preventing scientists from doing their best work. That is managing the lab, knowing what's going on with each experiment, and figuring out what's the next step to be taken. Bruno connects to all your scientific experiment contexts like weights and biases, overleaf, and Slack. Bruno helps keep research projects on track to publication. This connects largely with our idea of Paper 2.0. How do we publish better scientific artifacts?
Our vision is to help humans to learn better from what's happened in the past. To do that, we're looking at rich representations of all the decisions that were made during the process of science, and not only narrative descriptions of a final desired output. If you would like to join us and work with Bruno, follow the link in the description.